Okay, here comes our train 8710 from Jamaica for Montauk. Here on Saturday, September 1st, we are at the Long Island Railroad Mastic-Shirley station at the west end of the platform. This is a 4-car platform here at Mastic-Shirley. This equipment may be quite longer than that. It might even be an 8-car set. Train is just crossing William Floyd Parkway right now. So here's our engine, 510. Six, 7, 8. Looks like a 10-car set today that they're hauling out to Montauk, and I'm sure it's got quite a few people on it. Let's get out of the way of the door here because people will be getting off here. Oh, I see, they're drawing their cars forward, and the middle cars will open up. They're not going to open up the rear cars.
The station is Mastic-Shirley. This is the eastbound train to Montauk. Beyond the station will be next.
Good crowd on board today from New York. People still heading for the Hamptons and Montauk on this Saturday.
Got someone walking back.
They're instructing people in the forward cars they have to walk aft, and in the rear cars they have to walk forward to the middle 4 cars, which are platformed here at Mastic-Shirley. Wow. People still getting off up front. Next stop after here is Spionk, 15 minutes to the east of us, and then it'll make all local stops from Spionk to Montauk. Train 8710, which runs Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays from Jamaica to Montauk. .504. Okay, good people. Thank you very much for joining us for this video. And we will be back in action Sunday and Monday, especially Monday with the westbound trains heading back to New York City. So take care, everybody.